Hello friend, welcome back. Based on our user feedback, we have added some really great feature in page load timer. Like as usual, if you open any website, it used to show you the load time of that web page automatically, and here you can check like all the details, like which particular thing has taken how much time. So this is very useful. Like you open any website, let's say Flipkart, you can see that this page got loaded in 1.16 second. If you go to any of these pages, then it will immediately tells and you can see the report of all those pages and everything, right? So this was there. Now suppose, let's say you are doing a testing of this particular website, or I'm doing the testing of my SelectorsHub.com. So I just want to test only SelectorsHub.com, and I don't want like any other website. So like, because in this report, if you see that there are SelectorsHub, X.com, YouTube, any website, if I'm opening that, it is getting in the report. So I don't just want the, like, let's say for an example, I just want the load time of all the pages of SelectorsHub.com only, not any other website. If I open there, it should not work. Or if I want to, let's say, blacklist some of the website, like I'm just testing a few of the applications, but I don't want to record for any other applications. Like if I open any social media, or if I open any e-commerce website that I don't want, then I can exclude it. Like I should be able to exclude those web applications, right? So now we have added those features in page load timer. If you click here, click on setting, here you are getting the option of blacklist websites or whitelist website. Both the options are there. So suppose if I want to test only for SelectorsHub.com, so I can just simply mention this SelectorsHub.com. You just have to mention the domain name, not like the all the pages or anything. So if you have mentioned, like let's say if I have mentioned SelectorsHub.com here, just close it. And going forward, whenever you will open any website from SelectorsHub.com, any page, it will show us the load time. Like this is opening here. If I go to any other page, it will just show me the load time of that page. Also, like let me just clear the data, report data. So we will now, if we will open the report, then it will just show the SelectorsHub.com. So if I go to any other page, like let's say check my links, another great product. So all the pages, if we just go one by one to test data. Okay, so lots of web pages we have opened. Now suppose if we open any other website like flipkart.com, it will not show the load time for this particular website. If I open Amazon or any website like Facebook or YouTube or anything I open, that it will not show. Okay, so here if we, like from SelectorsHub.com, you can see the report. If you click and view report, it will just show us the pages which we have opened from SelectorsHub.com. It will not show these websites. So this way I can just like mention that for which website we want to test under whitelist. Now suppose I just don't want this whitelist. So if you want to test multiple website, then you don't mention anything on the like you can mention of course those website, like let's say SelectorsHub.com, this was there, you can mention. And if you want to add more website, you can just press enter and then you can enter, like let's say we want to test it for flipkart.com as well. So you can mention that here in the next line, like flipkart.com, and you just close. Now going forward, if you will reload this website, it will start working for Flipkart as well. So now it will work for two websites, SelectorsHub.com and flipkart.com. If you open the report, like let's say if we go to any other page, then also it will keep tracking the record. If we go any other page here as well, and if we check the report, like view report, so you can see that SelectorsHub.com, Flipkart, and both the websites are there. If we open any third website, like for an example, if I open google.com here, so you can see it's not showing the load time. If you click here, it will just show this setting directly, so you can mention or remove. Okay, because like if you will be surprised that why it is not work. Sometimes you forget that you have done something in settings. So in that case, if you get any doubt, you just click on the logo. It will directly show the setting that, oh, these websites are only whitelisted, and that's the reason it's not showing the load time for this website. If you want, you can include that website here. Now suppose you want to blacklist some website and you want to test for entire everything. So here you can mention that website for which you don't like basically which you want to blacklist, that you can mention here. So now if we go to any website, it will work for all the website. So like here, and we have mentioned flipkart.com, so it should not work for Flipkart. If I open this website, then it will not work here. If I open Amazon, it will work here. You can see if I open any website, then it will work. Just that for Flipkart, whichever we have blacklisted, for that it will not work. Now there could be a corner case. Suppose you have mentioned flipkart.com here, and here also you mentioned, then in that case it will immediately show you this alert pop-up, same URL already exists in blacklist. So same URL you cannot keep in both of them, so please make sure that you remove that if you want to whitelist first or something, whatever. So make sure that you just keep the one URL in any of them. Then so this way you can blacklist and whitelist URL. If you want to enter more, just press enter and then enter another link here. So that way you can like you can do multiple as well. You can blacklist multiple websites, or you can whitelist multiple websites just by pressing enter. Into the next line you can enter new URL, and here you need to always give the website, or you can say domain URL, like this amazon.in flipkart.com, and you need not to give like any pages page of the website. So it will like entirely it will block, not just like one page. So the concept is simple, either you block like entire website, not just one page, right? So that we have done. Apart from that, we have also added, like let's say you are testing it for a particular website, because you will say that I just want to block the login page of my website or the payment page of my website, or for any reason you just want to block a particular website before downloading the report or before sharing it with the others. So in that case, for that region, we have, like if you see in view report, like suppose I just don't want to give this particular page load time, I don't want to share. So in that case, we have provided this delete option here, so you can delete that. So this way you can also, like if you want to exclude any particular URL which you don't want to keep in the report, then you have the option here, delete. There was one minor issue in this report thing. When you download the file, this kind of long URL which we used to truncate in the report here. So now that also we have fixed. So if you will download the file, you will see the complete URL in the downloaded report. Earlier it was not coming. You were able to you were facing the challenge. A couple of our users has faced this issue that they were not able to see the complete URL. So now you can see the complete URL. So this way you can see the in the report, this issue is also fixed, URL issue, and you got another two features here to blacklist and whitelist any of the websites. So this way it will be a lot more easier to use, and this makes the page load timer a very useful tool to test any of the website. Like let's say you are testing, you are working for a particular company, so you just want to run this particular tool just for your company website, right? Not for other website. So in that case you can do that as well. Now I hope you like this feature. Really thank you Manish sir, who has recommended this feature of blacklisting and whitelisting the URLs. Thank you so much guys. Please do share this page load timer with others, and if you haven't installed, do install it. It is very helpful tool for your testing. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.